What am I doing? I am going to test my oxygen levels. Just going to get my pulse, and it's going to show what my oxygen level is at this pressure. So the upper number is the heart rate, and the bottom number is my oxygen saturation. Want to try? Normally I'm 98. At this pressure, I'm 90, 91. So are you? And our pulses are a little bit higher than normal too, because of just the stress on our bodies of flying. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? You got down to 88.
So what does that mean?
And your pulse went up a little bit.
So what does that mean?
Well, we're probably pressurized to about 7,000 feet, 8,000 feet, and put it in fly mode. Yeah, it says we're at 7,000 feet. So we're, what did you do? What'd you do? The oxygen being pushed into your body is lower pressure than we are down at normal pressure at sea level. And so the oxygen saturation in your blood is going to be lower. So right now we are higher than Denver as far as pressure goes, and about as high as like Big Sky, Montana ski area. So it's enough to, if you're exerting yourself, to make it so you're having to breathe really hard, and it's noticeable. Because with that lower pressure, you have to breathe more frequently to take in the oxygen that you need to perform. Right now we don't notice it because we're just sitting here, but you know, we're both down to 90, 91, when normally we're 98, 99. Can you see it? Can you see it?